The issue of trust is a huge thing in dental anxiety management, and for many people that have had a bad experience, it's very difficult sometimes to rebuild trust. I think first of all, knowing if you're going to see a dentist who's trained in dental anxiety management, know that they understand that trust isn't something that's automatic or that's assumed. Trust has to be built, it has to be earned. So the dentist not only has to say the right things, but they have to do the right things as well. Now, one of the great tools that we have in rebuilding trust is the stop signal. So anytime your hand comes up, your left hand, so that we can see it easily, anytime your left hand comes up, it means stop immediately. Now, I believe in any other situation, if another human being is in physical contact with you and you say stop immediately, and the person doesn't, then it's assault. And it's the same kind of situation here. So if you put your hand up, maybe you've got a question you might want to ask, or sneeze or cough or just have a break, left hand comes up and it means stop immediately, and trust can start to get rebuilt.